Welcome to Brookside, the first residential neighborhood in the highly anticipated Fields community here in Frisco. In this video today, I'm going to give you an overview of who those builders are in this first community, as well as what exactly is the Fields project? How big is it? How much space does it encompass overall? So if you've been curious or just want to know more about what Fields is or are planning on making Fields your next home, then you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. Hi, this is Andrew with the Andrew Smith team here in Frisco, Texas. And as I mentioned, today we are in the Fields community in Frisco. And for those of you that are not familiar with what the Fields community is, it is probably the most anticipated master plan community in Frisco for many, many years. It is large. It encompasses right around 2,500 acres. It's going to feature 30 miles of bike and hiking trails. There's going to be 250 acres of community parks, including a 10-acre central park right in the middle. There is going to be a 75-acre chain of lakes, all flowing down one into another, culminating at what will be the south end of Fields West. And for those of you that don't know, Fields West is going to be, if you like, the bigger sister, or younger sister, since it comes second, of Legacy West in Plano. It's going to be done on a very similar scale, slightly larger, but on the same sort of concept. And it's going to be anchored on the north side by a Ritz-Carlton hotel. So also in Fields, to give you more perspective on where we are. So directly behind me here to the south is Panther Creek Parkway. Panther Creek marks the southernmost border of the Fields community. If I kind of spin around for you here, now up to the north here on the far side is PGA Parkway, which is where the new Omni PGA Resort is located, along with the PGA District. The PGA of America's headquarters is all on the far north side, as well as the two 18-hole courses. So that basically spans where Fields goes from north to south. And then directly to the west is Teal Parkway. That's going to kind of be the western border. And then back behind me, Fields will actually cross over the Dallas North Tollway and extend onto the east side. As a matter of fact, the Universal Kids theme park is going to be on the corner of Dallas Parkway and Panther Creek. So when we talk specifically about the Brookside neighborhood that we're in now, there are going to be a total of 6 builders in the initial release of lots from the information I have so far. Those are going to feature Olivia Clark Homes, Darling Homes, Britton Homes, Darling, Toll Brothers, and Huntington Homes. So a wide selection of builders here that are all going to be offering a variety of different products. And in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a spotlight feature on Huntington Homes. I'll be doing additional videos on all of the other builders in here as well, but for today, we're going to do a spotlight and feature Huntington Homes. And for those of you that don't know, Huntington is the luxury division of Highland Homes. So I'm going to spin the camera around here for you for a minute and kind of give you an idea of what's being built. There's a lot of construction going on as I'm up here today. I will be coming back and doing a better drive-by, if you like, of all of the models. The models are not yet open. They should be opening and start pre-selling within the next week or so as this is being recorded. And I would like to say, if you'd like any information whatsoever on any of the builders, what the floor plans are, or what pricing is going to be, please don't hesitate to reach out. I've got additional information I would be more than happy to share with you. So as we're looking down the street here, these first 2 homes that you see under construction, I know one of them for sure is being done by Darling Homes. I know they are building a smaller product here. Shattuck is also supposed to be building a smaller product here as well. As we pan down towards the end there, I know it's a little bit harder to see, but right at the very end, we have the Huntington model, which is looking very, very nice, and it is almost done. Olivia Clark Homes is directly next to that. As we look down into the distance there, that is, I'm looking across a park here in the middle, And that's the Community Amenity Center, one of several that will be throughout the community here. As I continue to pan around for you, that is a Toll Brothers product right there on the corner. Some different lots that are going to be available here. I can tell you that this house being built directly across the street from where I am, that is a Toll Brothers home as well. So with that in mind, let's go and take a look at exactly what models Huntington has to offer. So I have to say, it is nice being back inside in the air conditioning. It's a little bit warm out there today. But as mentioned, I want to take a look and share with you the actual floor plans and give you additional information about what Huntington are actually going to build, since they are the spotlight builder for this particular video. So in the Fields community, Huntington is going to offer a total of 6 different floor plans. And I'm going to share my screen with you now and run through exactly what those floor plans have to offer. All right, so the 6 different floor plans that Huntington are going to offer are going to be the Olivier, the Tiffany, the Camilla, Lorenzo, Marcello, and Lennox. And I've got those floor plans and the specs on each one of those houses right here. And I'll just run through those. I won't go through them in great detail. If you'd like additional information, as I mentioned, I do have this available, and I'd be more than happy to share it with you. Just send me an email at andrew@theandrewsmithteam.com, and I'd be happy to get that out to you. All right, so running through to these floor plans. So the first one here is, as I mentioned, the Olivier. And the specs on the Olivier is it's a single-story home, just over 3,000 square feet. It's going to offer 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's got 2 powder rooms, a 3-car tandem garage, a study, and a media room. And I'm not sure how well this is showing up, but you're going to have 2 bedrooms here at the front off of the main entrance. You're going to go into a great room type area. You also will have a media room. It's kind of behind the family room. Another full bedroom here. You've also got a separate study, a nice outdoor living area. There's glass doors that go out here. And then behind the study, you will go into the primary suite. So the Olivier is going to be offered in a few different elevations. So just over 3,000 square feet in a single level. So next up is the Tiffany. And the Tiffany here, expand in for you. The Tiffany here is considered a 1.5 story home. Its base square footage is 3,783, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3 powder rooms, a 3-car tandem garage, a study, a media room, and a game room. So this is going to be quite a nice large house here. So similar to the Olivier, off of the covered front porch, you're going to have 2 bedrooms right off of the main entry. You're then going to move forward into this great room area that's got the large island in the kitchen here. And then this is kind of a neat feature, kind of behind where your cooktop is there. They've got the prep kitchen, as they're calling it, with additional counter space. There's an optional refrigerator in here, an additional area there. So you're really maximizing the living space here. You then also in this one have a study on the main level, out to a living area with an optional fireplace. And then you've got the primary suite back here. And heading up to the 1.5 story, so the second level in this case, you got a large section that's open to below. You're going to have a wet bar area, a full game room, a media room, and another bedroom with its own bath, as well as a powder room. So a really good option here on the Tiffany plan. Next up is the Camilla. And again, it's going to have 3 different elevations, a modern farmhouse, a craftsman, and a Tudor revival. That's going to be similar for all of the offerings that Huntington have in this community. As I expand into some of the specs here, this one is a full 2-story home, 3,863 base square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3 powder rooms, 3-car tandem garage, a study, a media room, a game room, and a cabana. So as we take a look at this floor plan, again, similar style. You've got the covered front entry. And then this one, as you go off, you're going to have a study at the front. You're going to then enter through the dining room into the family room. You've got the kitchen with the really large half circle island here. Behind the family room, you're going to have the primary suite and the primary bath. This is the laundry room right here. And then as you go through into the outdoor living area, this is where that cabana is. It's got another bathroom back here, and it's called a cabana bar. So I can only imagine some fun times that could be had out there. And then as you go upstairs, again, you've got the media room, the game room. You've got another 2 bedrooms, each with their own bath, plus a powder room. So that is the Camilla. Next up, we have the Lorenzo. So expand up there. The Lorenzo is also a 2-story home, 3,977 base square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3 powder rooms, 3-car garage, study, media room, game room, and a cabana as well. So just a little bit more square footage. The layout is similar to what we saw in the previous model, except this one has the media room downstairs. So you're going to enter in here. You've got the study off the main entry. You can go through to a 2nd bedroom, full bath. There's the media room. You've got the family room, dining room, kitchen, primary suite located directly behind. Again, the laundry room, another powder room, 3-car tandem. And then from your outdoor living area, you also have access to this cabana area. And then upstairs in this one, you've got bedroom 4, full bedroom with its own bath, another powder room, a retreat area, a game room, and another bedroom with a full bath. So again, that's the Lorenzo, just under 4,000 square feet on this one. And then we have the Marcello. Now, the Marcello is actually the home that is modeled. And as soon as it's available to have access, I will get inside and get some video shot of that home for all of you. But this one here is just over 4,000 square feet, 4,060, 2 stories. It's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 3 powder room, 3-car tandem, study, media room, and a game room. So on the main floor here, nice big covered entryway. You got the family room, dining room, kitchen. You do have a full bedroom here. You've also got the media room on the 1st floor here as well. Stairs going up. You've got a study as well as the primary suite. Outdoors, you've got a nice fireplace, sitting areas over here. As you make your way upstairs, you've got 3 additional bedrooms. Bedroom 3 and bedroom 4 each have their own bath. And then you've got this powder room right here, as well as the game room. Sorry, bedroom 5 has its own bath as well. I thought we were missing one there for a minute. So that one there is the model, right? So that one is the Marcello. And then last up here for the floor plans is the Lennox. And then the Lennox is also a 2-story home. It's going to offer 4,092 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3 powder rooms, another 3-car garage. This one is not a tandem. It is a full 3-car garage. As you can see here, a double entry door here, single door off to the side, study, media room, and a game room. So the study is right here towards the back of the house. This is your outdoor living area here, coming all the way to the front. You have got the primary suite, dining, family, your kitchen area. This one also has that prep kitchen off to the side over there. I'm really interested to see what that looks like. As we make our way upstairs, we've got the game room, the media room, bedroom 3, bedroom 4, bedroom 5. And again, all of the bedrooms are en suite. Really, really nice. Popular feature that makes it super convenient for everybody involved. So that is all of the homes that Huntington are going to be offering here in the Fields community. So hopefully that information helps kind of give you a taste of what is going to be in Fields, and it's obviously the spotlight builder for this video being Huntington. As mentioned, as the homes become more available and additional information comes out, I will be doing the exact same for Toll Brothers and for Darling and for Shattuck and for Britton and all Olivia Clark, all of the builders up there. So as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, want more information on these or any of the homes in the Fields community, please don't hesitate to reach out. Always by email, andrew@theandrewsmithteam.com, or feel free to give me a call at 469-296-5230.